Welcome to the show. Let's talk to Matt Brown. Morning to you, Matt.
Good morning.
Right, let's kick off with headlines this morning. German political worries continue. Euro inequities at lower. Bitcoin at 8,000. Who would have guessed that? German politics.
Yeah, not good news. Well, not good news for Angela Merkel. I mean, it felt as if this would be a done deal. There was talk of this Jamaican coalition, 3 parties involved, getting together, moving forward after the election that we saw a month or 2 ago. Now, it all seems to have fallen apart with the FDP walking away. What does this mean for Angela Merkel? Well, it could mean further talks continue. It could even mean another election in 2 months. So when you look at the political woes of the UK, we're not alone. So Germany losing friends there, so not as stable. What does that mean? Well, there's a couple of things. Markets this morning are down. We've seen the euro down on the back of it. The DAX is down quite heavily. No surprises there. But what does it mean for negotiations going forward? Well, Angela Merkel is kind of losing a bit of her power and strength.
Yep.
Certainly, her and Theresa are going to have probably more interesting conversations. This comes as Theresa May is looking to up the amount paid in the divorce bill as well with the EU. So, look, it's political direction or political issues that are directing the market this morning. In the meantime, Bitcoin up at 8,000. It's had a bit of a roller coaster ride certainly last week. Now trading at all-time highs. It's incredible. It actually at 8,000, but apparently in Zimbabwe it's trading around 13 to 14,000 because obviously people are trying to get whatever they can out of Zimbabwe. Obviously, ongoing political situation there overnight. Mr. Mugabe, Robert Mugabe, expected to stand down. He did not in the teleconference. He misses the rain down in Africa.
Boom, boom. Right, in terms of FTSE one to watch, William Hill this morning.
William Hill, trading update, a little bit better than expected. I mean, the stock hasn't changed, but they're saying it's boosted their growth in revenue to about 28%, I think, in the last 7 weeks. This was really helped by the Mayweather and Mcgregor fight in Las Vegas. That they were not the only winners. The boxers themselves, it seems William Hill has done quite well on the back of it, and that's seen a nice little lift in the revenue for William Hill. However, on the horizon is the government, UK government, legislating against the machines, gambling machines in the shops. So that's taking off a little bit of a shine. But William Hill have said, look, for 2017 they expect their profits to be in line. That's a positive. The gamblers have been out of favour. The bookmakers have been out of favour of late.
Small cap wise, what have we got today? Accrol Holdings, what do they do?
Pick this one out. Accrol Papers, they make non-durable products for households. Down 60%, the stock's
60%.
60%. They were suspended. They had a problem, they had an issue, a health and safety breach, which meant one of the employees lost their finger in a paper cutter, and it's cost them a few millions. They were at fault for this. They've come to the market, they've actually had an issue of equity, capital raising. The stock's down 60%. With all due respect, just mind your fingers on buying stocks when they plunge so much.
Understood. Let's move on to currencies. The pound today, the cable 132.55.
Yeah, a little bit of a boost for the pound. A little bit of, well, watch out, because actually the dollar strengthened a bit, which has taken the shine off some of the miners in the FTSE today. But holding its own above 132. Obviously, the 89 level is key at the moment, with a bit of euro weakness on the back of the German issues going on. But it feels fairly stable at this point, but lots to come. We've got a budget this week as well with Philip Hammond. Look out for that if there are going to be any tax breaks. And certainly the house builders will be in play, one that traders will be watching, or a sector that traders will be watching this week.
Okay, broker upgrades, downgrades today. Boohoo, an underperform according to RBC.
Yes, pick this out. They've just initiated their coverage on Boohoo. Seen as a darling, really, of the market of recent years. Putting it as underperform, probably saying there's a bit too much value, a bit too much puff, I should say, in the share price. So just saying... Maybe underperform or sell on this one.
Core number today, 5 billion. What's that pertain
Actually, in the same sector. Now, this is the market cap of 2 companies in the retail sector, one of them being Marks and Spencer's. The other is ASOS, as seen on screen. Both trading with a market cap of 5 billion. And one of these is a AIM-listed market, darling. The other is in the FTSE 100. Right. For much longer, who knows? But no, they will stay there. But I mean, the question to you: you've got 2 stocks valued at exactly the same. One is predominantly online and performing well, going great guns. The other is Marks and Spencer's. Where do you put your cash?
I know the answer to that. Right, let's wrap up with the economic calendar today. The ECB talking at 2 o'clock. Mr Draghi and the Bank of England Deputy Governor Ramsden speaks.
Yeah, so very little in the way of economic data certainly out today. It's going to be a bit of a light one. We've already mentioned the UK budget due out this week. Thanksgiving in the US does mean that volumes will be a bit light, certainly towards the end of the week. That takes a bit of the shine off the market and volumes. But a quiet day today, that's why we are focusing on what's going on in Germany, Euros week, and nothing really. I doubt Mr Draghi can do anything in the meantime to boost that euro.
Matt, thank you very much indeed.